Today, we are diving into a hot topic that's been making waves in the nutrition world: olive oil. It's been hailed as a superfood, but could there be a dark side to this golden elixir? Stick around as we uncover the surprising truth about what happens when you make olive oil a daily habit for a month. Picture this. You've heard all about the supposed health benefits of olive oil and decided to jump on the bandwagon, incorporating it into every meal, drizzling it over salads, dipping bread, and even using it for cooking. Sounds like a healthy choice, doesn't it? However, emerging research has uncovered potential risks lurking beneath the surface, particularly for individuals with certain health conditions. Let's delve into the scientific evidence to uncover the truth behind the olive oil craze. Let's delve into the realm of gut health. While olive oil is typically well tolerated by most people, excessive consumption can result in digestive discomfort. This discomfort arises from the high fat content in olive oil, which can slow down digestion and exacerbate symptoms in individuals with pre-existing digestive issues such as irritable bowel syndrome, or IBS, or gallbladder problems. Research published in Gastroenterology and the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicates that overindulgence in dietary fats, including olive oil, may contribute to symptoms like bloating, diarrhea, and abdominal pain, particularly in those who are more sensitive to dietary changes. Additionally, the excessive consumption of olive oil can disrupt the delicate balance of gut microbiome, leading to dysbiosis, a condition characterized by an imbalance in the gut flora. Dysbiosis has been linked to a variety of gastrointestinal symptoms, including bloating, gas, and irregular bowel movements. Moreover, alterations in gut microbiome composition can impact overall digestive health and may contribute to the development of exacerbation of gastrointestinal disorders. Therefore, while olive oil can be a valuable component of a balanced diet, it's essential to consume it in moderation, especially for individuals with underlying digestive issues. Being mindful of portion sizes and listening to your body's cues can help maintain optimal gut health while enjoying the benefits of olive oil. Olive oil's reputation as a heart-healthy superstar stems from its rich concentration of monounsaturated fats, which are believed to raise HDL or good cholesterol levels while lowering LDL or bad cholesterol levels, generally considered favorable for heart health. However, excessive consumption, particularly over a prolonged period, could pose risks to cardiovascular health. Recent guidelines from organizations like the American Heart Association, or AHA, suggest that most adults can safely consume up to 2 tablespoons, about 30 milliliters, of olive oil per day as part of a heart-healthy diet. This moderate intake provides a balance of beneficial monounsaturated fats without significantly increasing calorie intake or the risk of adverse health effects. But here's where things get interesting. Exceeding this recommended limit may lead to oxidative stress and inflammation, potentially worsening cardiovascular health. Studies published in reputable journals like Circulation and the Journal of American College of Cardiology have highlighted these concerns. Monounsaturated fats, which are abundant in olive oil, are crucial for lowering LDL cholesterol and promoting heart health. When you consume monounsaturated fats from sources like olive oil, they help decrease LDL cholesterol levels in several ways. First, they boost the activity of LDL receptors in the liver, which helps remove LDL from the bloodstream. Second, monounsaturated fats also prevent the oxidation of LDL particles, which is a process that can lead to the buildup of plaque in arteries. By adding olive oil to your diet, you're giving your body the tools it needs to keep your cholesterol levels in check and protect your heart. However, it's essential to strike a balance. Excessive olive oil consumption can disrupt lipid profiles and promote oxidative stress, potentially negating the benefits observed with moderate intake. Consulting with a healthcare provider or registered dietitian can provide personalized guidance tailored to individual health needs and goals, ensuring optimal heart health while enjoying the benefits of olive oil in a balanced diet. Now, let's talk about your metabolism. If you're dealing with issues like obesity or insulin resistance, daily olive oil indulgence might not be as innocent as it seems. While olive oil is known for its metabolism-boosting properties, overdoing it could throw your metabolic machinery into overdrive. Research in Diabetes Care and the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism suggests that excessive olive oil consumption could disrupt insulin sensitivity and contribute to weight gain, especially when consumed daily for an extended period, such as 30 days or longer. Let's explore the inner workings of this process. Olive oil contains oleic acid, a component known to improve insulin sensitivity and facilitate the burning of fats, promoting a healthier metabolic state, which is good for your body. However, when consumed in excess, oleic acid can overwhelm the body's metabolic pathways, leading to insulin resistance and impaired glucose metabolism, which is bad for your body. Additionally, the high calorie content of olive oil can contribute to weight gain when not offset by other dietary factors or physical activity. And what about those of you who are battling autoimmune conditions? Olive oil's anti-inflammatory powers might sound like a dream come true, but it could be a double-edged sword for some. Studies in arthritis and rheumatology and inflammatory bowel diseases have shown that while olive oil can help dampen inflammation, too much of it might trigger immune responses in susceptible individuals, potentially exacerbating autoimmune symptoms. Let's unpack this further. Olive oil contains polyphenols and other bioactive compounds that exert anti-inflammatory effects by inhibiting pro-inflammatory signaling pathways. These compounds have been shown to reduce markers of inflammation in conditions such as rheumatoid arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. However, excessive consumption of olive oil can lead to an overactivation of the immune system, resulting in heightened inflammation and worsening autoimmune symptoms. Such symptoms might include intensified joint pain in rheumatoid arthritis or increased gastrointestinal distress in conditions like inflammatory bowel disease. Surprisingly, excessive consumption of olive oil can disrupt the delicate balance of essential nutrients in your diet. While olive oil is a rich source of healthy fats, it lacks certain essential nutrients found in other dietary fats. We'll talk about those in a minute. Over-reliance on olive oil as your primary fat source may lead to inadequate intake of essential omega-3 fatty acids, fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin E, and other micronutrients crucial for overall health. Research published in Nutrients and the Journal of Nutrition underscores the importance of maintaining a diverse and balanced diet to prevent nutrient deficiencies and optimize health outcomes. To ensure a better nutrient balance, it's advisable to incorporate a variety of fats into your diet. For example, incorporating foods that are good sources of omega-3 fatty acids, such as fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, sardines, flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts can provide these essential fatty acids that may be lacking in olive oil. Additionally, including fats from sources like avocados, nuts, seeds, and coconut oil can offer a broader range of nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to support overall health. By diversifying your fat sources, you can enhance nutrient intake and maintain a more balanced diet for optimal health and well-being. Although rare, allergic reactions to olive oil can occur in susceptible individuals. Olive oil allergies are typically triggered by proteins in olive oil rather than the fats themselves. Symptoms can range from mild skin rashes and itching to more severe reactions such as difficulty breathing and anaphylaxis, a severe and potentially life-threatening allergic reaction. While true that olive oil allergies are not common, those with known sensitivities to other tree nuts or seeds might be at a higher risk. Medical literature, including case reports in journals like Allergy and the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology, underscores the importance of awareness and caution, especially for individuals with known allergies or sensitivities. It is important to note that someone who is allergic to olive oil may not necessarily react to other oils such as vegetable oil or coconut oil, so these might be a good substitute option. However, cross-reactivity between different types of oils is possible. Therefore, it's essential to exercise caution and consult with a healthcare provider if you are in doubt. Now, let's explore another potential health concern associated with excessive olive oil consumption: the risk of causing blood pressure to drop too low. While olive oil is often praised for its heart-healthy properties, consuming it in excess may lead to unintended consequences, including fluctuations in blood pressure. Studies have shown that certain components in olive oil, such as oleic acid, can have a vasodilatory effect, meaning they can widen blood vessels and promote blood flow. While this can be beneficial in moderation, excessive consumption may lead to a sudden drop in blood pressure, a condition known as hypotension. Individuals who already have low blood pressure or are taking medications to lower blood pressure should be especially cautious. Consuming too much olive oil on top of existing medications or conditions may exacerbate hypotension symptoms, such as dizziness, lightheadedness, fainting, and fatigue. In severe cases, hypotension can lead to complications such as falls, fainting spells, and decreased organ perfusion. Therefore, it's essential to be mindful of olive oil intake, particularly for individuals prone to low blood pressure or those taking antihypertensive medications. Moderation is key, and consulting with a healthcare provider can provide personalized guidance on maintaining a balanced diet while managing blood pressure effectively. But here's the good news: it's not all doom and gloom. The key lies in personalized nutrition. Instead of following fads or trends, tune into your body's unique needs and work with healthcare professionals to create a tailored plan. By striking the right balance between olive oil consumption and your health goals, you can reap the benefits without falling victim to the risks. Now it's your turn. Have you had any experiences with olive oil that left you feeling uneasy? How often do you include olive oil in your diet? And have you noticed any health side effects? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Until next time, stay healthy and informed.